Good evening, YouTube. Bill number 3 down here in the Carolinas. Got me in something today. Mr. Rick Rado out in Arizona, I think. Maybe this banner up. What we got up on the bench today is a davemade base 1x4. And ain't nothing wrong with it. It was working fine, but he want to do a little upgrading to it. This is Hollywood's down in Roxborough, North Carolina. Want to do some upgrading to it, so we took the transformers and rectifiers out of it, and we put in some switches. It's 90 amps worth of switches though, 30 amps a piece. And we took it all apart and cleaned it up. Took everything out of it, cleaned up board, and added some plexiglass back there, actually slick sand, and added a piece right there on the side to block it off so all the air goes down, goes through here, and goes out. Wired it all up. Cleaned. Put a new switch on it. This is a breaker now. It's a 25 amp breaker. Put a new knob on. Had a little bitty one, put a bigger one on. Put a strain release. New cord. And left the fuse intact. It was so it didn't leave a big old hole in the back of it. I just left that in there, even though it's got the brake on front. Just left that in there and put some connectors in it. Redone the inside of it, cleaned everything up, got all the cigarette smoke off of it. Pretty neat little box. I like to have some more cabinets like this. I'd make a double deck out of it. Be pretty cool. Put the power supplies down here and the amp up here. That'd be pretty cool. If it was, I'd get a lot in that. But it's all good. Alright then, that's all we've been up to. Got a 8-pill I've been working on. That's mine. I'm gonna add a 2-pill drive into it. I ain't got it finished up. I gotta still put the cord in it. Just got it temporarily put on there. Just test it out. I have been running it. Runs real good. Like I said, I'm gonna put a 2-pill drive in it. I was driving with a Connex 4300. But ain't enough drive for it. But that's it. There's a little amp. Need some little block offs. Let's see if I can find some of them. Alright then, y'all have a good one. Me number 3 in the Carolinas. Later.